So what advisors are going to win big in 2022? Is it the wirehouses? Is it the independents? Is it the RIA only, the BDs, the insurance only? Who's going to win big in 2022? Here's my prediction. The advisors that are going to win big in 2022 are going to be the advisors that bring the most value to clients. Somewhat obvious, Anton. Okay, so let's go a little deeper. Which advisors in 2022 are going to bring the most value to clients? Those are the advisors that form the best teams, right? The team is more important than ever before. Why? Because things are so complicated and only getting crazier. Whether or not Biden gets any type of proposals through, whether or not tax forms are ready on time, whether or not the market continues its climb or it crashes, whether or not inflation goes off the hook. All of those things are possible, or none of them. But whatever happens, it's too complicated for any one individual to figure out. And I don't even care if it's a CPA that's securities licensed or an advisor that gets their CPA license. Like, you aren't truly doing any one of those things at a high enough level to play with a competitor that forms a team of true professionals. Now, what and who should be on your team? That really is the question for 2022. Let me break it down quickly from my perspective of the 5 key people or positions you need on your team in 2022. The first is tax. Like, not only the compliance professional, but tax planners. Capital gains tax, estate planning tax, income tax, tax professionals. The second one is going to be risk. Risk mitigation, risk management, like that's the property and casualty, the life insurance, the captive insurance companies, risk mitigation. The third one is going to be your wealth management, right? That's obviously the 529 plans, the investment accounts, the retirement accounts, the wealth management. Fourth is going to be law. Those are going to be your trusts, your wills, your buy-sell agreements, your key man agreements. So law, and then fifth is going to be business advisory professionals. It's very overlooked, but these are individuals that have specific niches, whether that's improving company culture or leadership ability or helping business owners measure their KPIs. If you are attempting to work with business owners of any size and you do not have good business advisory professionals on your team, you are completely missing a massive opportunity, because you need to think, the business owner, what is it? The business is their baby. Like, they've given up time with their loved ones. They've sweat, blood, tears, money. It's their baby. So you need to have professionals in that space. All right, so now you're looking at this and your question should be, which one or max of 2 bubbles do I play in on my team currently? Like, I don't want to talk to somebody that says, well, I can do all of these. No, you can't. Again, not at any good level. Like, you can maybe play high school sports in soccer, baseball, lacrosse, but nobody in the pros is playing in the Major League Baseball and the NFL. Like, it doesn't happen. So what you need to do if you truly want to crush in 2022, like if you want it to be a breakout, exceptional year, you need to understand, where do you excel? Is it the wealth management? Is it the insurance? Is it not even either of those, but you just are really good at building relationships? You focus on that area, again, whatever it is, and then you go out and you build strategic relationships with professionals in the other areas and tell them what you're doing. Like, I understand 2022 is more complicated than ever. There's so many moving pieces. Clients deserve a team of professionals that are going to work together, right? Communicate, work together on the client's behalf. And I'm not going to try to become a jack of all trades. I end up resulting in a master of none. What I'm going to do is double down on what I do good and what I love, what I'm passionate about, and then I'm going to find other professionals in other areas that are exceptional at what they do and passionate about that area, and then form the team. right? You hear us talk about the dream team, right? Back in the Olympic days, they were the dream team because they had players in each position that were exceptional at what they did, not because one person was so good. So another word for this, and you're going to hear it more in 2022, is a VFO, a virtual family office. The family office is a very expensive and a very powerful way for a high net worth family. I'm talking 100 million plus net worth, sometimes 250 million net worth plus, to have everybody in-house, actually employed by the family. Then you have a multifamily office where you have multiple professionals coming together, but still working for overall very high net worth clients in person. Virtual family office has become more powerful and more, I think, exciting than ever before as a result of COVID and technology. So the virtual family office, the team-based model, is going to allow advisors to have breakout years like they never have before in 2022. So I hope you can form these teams. I hope you bring more value to clients than you've ever been able to, and I hope your career experiences more success and you have more fulfillment than you have in any year in the past. I'm Anton Anderson. If you like this video, do me a favor. Just give it a thumbs up. That lets Google know that people actually like these and watch the content. And if there's anything that we can do for you to help you form these teams, we have professionals, dozens of professionals in every single position that we've been working on building since 2009. Be happy to help you build out your team and offer a more truly holistic and multidisciplinary approach with clients. Just go ahead, I'll include a link to our schedule in the description of this YouTube video. We'll get on the phone for the first 45 minutes for free with you, just to talk through your practice and figure out whether or not our virtual family office would be beneficial for you. Either way, again, Happy New Year's. I hope you have a phenomenal year.